both the Pacheco annexation and the Alhambra Valley annexation create islands and peninsulas of city surrounded by county and vice versa. If you're going to annex one area, annex the whole area and let the voters decide. If you're going to annex Pacheco, the same thing. It's been arranged so that Shell will not have a voice in that because it's off that edge. And many of the other citizens in that area aren't part of it. A piece that has come up in the past has been a concern, too, about the city being half one school district and half another about. Well, I find it interesting that we would now be annexing in Pacheco an area that is actually in Mount Diablo School District rather than in Martinez School District, and the area that is in Martinez School District would not be annexed. So there's a disconnect for me there, and I don't support either one.